powerful thing about programming is that we can define variables and perform mathematical transforms on our defined variables. In C++, variables are defined according to data types. Data types are indicated by a predefined set of keywords that include int, string, float, double, char, and bool. All variables must have their type defined before they can be used. So let's look at an example. I'm going to start with our standard library, #include iostream, and then with using namespace std, I'm going to open up main function, int main, parentheses, bracket, and I'm going to define an integer type variable with int my var equals 12, and I'm going to print it out. As we can see, you should see the number 12 printed out. Yep, that's printed out. Now, what if I wanted to change the variable? Because that's what variables do. They vary and they can change. I'm going to make it equal to 8. I'm going to print it out, my var. And if we run that, we should see 12, then 8. What I should really have done is added a new line so we can see that more clearly. And we can see 12 and then 8 is printed out.